Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm making Ganesh with homemade clay and homemade Ganesh. For homemade clay, I have taken 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida and 1 cup of salt and mixed it with warm water, and then added the second cup of all-purpose flour and made it hard. The second cup didn't really make it hard for me, so I went on and added some whole wheat flour, which is atta, and then made it hard. As you can see here, while I'm pressing, you can notice that it didn't come out very hard. If it doesn't come out hard, the Ganesh will sink in because the head is going to be very heavy. And I have added yellow color food coloring for it. You can use turmeric or pasupu or haldi to make it yellow, or any different colors, whichever you want you can add using food color. And I wanted to keep it on a base, so I found this box of a purse which I have decorated and with the wooden birds and some lace which I found in dollar store. With a double-sided tape I have stick in. And for legs and hands of Ganesha, you take a ball of double the amount you want and cut it exactly half. If you don't cut it half, one will come big and one will come thin. So you have to make equal amount. So take a ball and cut it. So I have named them here. Accordingly, make the size, and then you can start on making the Ganesha. From the extra for decoration, I have taken a little bit bigger amount and I have put it like what do you call, a stool you can say, or pita for Ganesh. And then I have before you, according to which way you want to make the Ganesh, the sitting posture, I want my Ganesh to be one leg down and one leg folded. So I have made a pillow. See, that's how it comes out if you put. So press it at the end for the foot, and again this is a folded leg. For it to get the support, I'm taking little bit extra and making a pillow for it. So that's how you make a pillow for the Ganesha, and again press it in the end to give that foot shape. And this is for the tummy. The ball is for the tummy. This is not for the upper body, just for the tummy. And then make shapes with a toothpick or skewer sticks like dhoti or rasa and things, and make a small long sticky thing and then make it as an ornament for Ganesha. And you can do the division also at the same time here. So I'm putting it now for the other feet also. Using a pen, you can put a hole and make the decorations of the pillow. And I have used the pen for the belly button also to give it a good look. And here I am making the dhoti's extra part, and then now I am making an ornament for the tummy. It's again the same thing, the small long thing. I have used the pen only for making the decorations. You can add color later on for those things, for the ornaments. And using a toothpick or a pencil, make markings on the feet of toes. And take another ball and press it in the middle and put it as the upper body. So as Ganesha is very healthy, you need to if you can take 2 balls, it would be great. In the same amount, we have taken 1 ball for the hand and the other ball for the other hand, and press it. Don't forget to press it in the front, and make this as Ashirvadam style, and make the other one as holding a sweet or laddu or whatever his favorite food is. And then the next one here I am making is the hand ornaments. One is here and the other one is near the upper arm. Here I am taking 2 small rounds, and again I have cut in half to make the overlap of. Made a necklace, and I did the yellow thread janjam. Make sure you're taking 2 halves to make it look nice, and do the markings of the folding for the shawl or kanduva. And here I'm putting a head and inserting a stick so it won't fall back or something. And after that I have did the head. For the head you keep the ball up and roll it at the bottom. Okay, and after that you add this shapes. You can add pagadi or anything. I have made like a kiritam, what do you call it, a crown, Indian crown for him. And then I'm cutting a circle in half, then making a marking next to his forehead for the ears. Put the ear and then press thinly so it will become bigger. That's it. Keep the markings so that you're using the same shape to make it like a, it will be easy if you keep it in half circle. And then I have take 2 black peppers, miriyalu, and then I have added it as eyes. Make sure they are coming out nice, so it will look like a cute Bal Ganesh. And then I'm making markings on his trunk, and again using pen I'm making markings on the hands, and making marking as Shiva's bottu, markings on the ears. So he's almost done, guys. We just need to do some decorations. If you want, you can add some colors, use poster colors or anything. And then now I'm adding the tusk. I have cut the skewers in half and I placed it. It's wooden, so it's good too. You can use the rice, basmati rice, which will be long. You can use that also. And then for one more, we're gonna do the mouse, his vehicle, vahanam. So here I made a round with pencil. Make sure it's big enough to insert the tail. Here we have inserted the tail, and then here I'm doing the ears. For ears, take a small one and press them and make a marking with the pencil. That's it. So, and for the other ear, do the same thing. See how cute it came out. And then with the pencil, do the marking for the eyes, or you can put some mustard seeds, or you can use same black pepper seeds to make them big eyes. And then we are making one more modak for the mouse too. So here is how the decoration and the pita for the Ganesh came out. And as I had a lot of dough left, the clay left, I'm making a pot stand decoration for Ganesh. It's very easy. You just have to place a small circle there like that with the Play-Doh and make a ball. Make a ball a little bit smaller than that size, and then put one ball on top of that base which we have put, and make one more circle and put on top, and then one more ball, and then a circle. A circle is flat, so it's not a ball shape, it's a flat one. And on top of it I have put leaves. So take a leaf, take some Play-Doh, press it in a leaf shape, just press it and pull it, and then with a pencil or anything make markings, and just make 3 leaves like that and put on top. I have made it like a coconut kind of a thing and place it on top. And that's it, guys, we are done today, and I hope you will do to enjoy the Ganesh festival happily, and may all of us have blessings of him on us. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.